What's going on, everybody? Julian here, J. Lewis Trading. Just doing a quick market recap, starting with the S&P up 53 basis points. It has securely taken out this resistance level of about 425 or 4250 on the S&P 500, and markets are looking positive, well above that 200-day simple moving average. Today, again, for me personally, all about the low float, starting with EXPR. And this was actually my first trade of the day. Wasn't the greatest trade. You can see over here that it was trending off of that 9-day exponential moving average. Now, where I got into this was right up through this area, right through here. This was actually a fake out that I got in. I traded into this too early. I'm going to be completely honest. I saw a key level right down through here on a pullback. I thought maybe if this pullback level was holding and this level right through here, this transitional level, if we could get a bump and a break out of that trend line resistance, that maybe we could get back into that 755 area, which is again a key level that I got faked out on, and it's a daily key level. But the idea here is that, okay, I got in early here. If I can snap the apex here and get back up to high a day, I can first of all make good on that trade that went against me. Second of all, if it breaks out, I've got some time and some space to wait for a pullback, a retest, see if 755 becomes a transitional level, and then see if price action can move from there. None of that happened. It was a fail. I wouldn't say epic, but it definitely was a trade that went against me. But I did make good on that relatively quickly with SLCA. And SLCA was pretty simple. This had a nice little gap up right through here, flat top breakout. I like that. So I was watching this, talked about this in chat, play by play, had this little apex here that squeezed, price action moved higher. I took profits on trade number one. It did come back and it held this key level. It was a bit of an approximate hold, so the way that I looked at it again was once this dip snaps to the upside, I'm going to get long again, and the dip absolutely did snap, and I got long again on that one, and that was the day. So I had two trades on SLCA that both worked out. I had a loss on EXPR, and it was a net positive day, but to be completely honest, it wasn't a great day. It was more of a clawback day. I didn't do great, but tomorrow's another trading session. So I hope that some of that helps. Just wanted to keep it 100 with you guys, that not every single trade I put on is an absolute zinger. Sometimes I got to claw my way back out of a hole, and some days I trade just off of flat. So there it is. If you have any questions, Julian at jlewistrading.com.